For this vlog today, I want to talk Patwa for the entire vlog. And the only reason why I'm speaking English now is because I want to explain to you why I want to speak Patwa in this vlog. So basically, most of my on most of my videos, I always speak English because I know that I don't only have Jamaican audience, I also have, for some reason, most of my views come from people in the States. Like, States is always high for me. Canada is like number 3, and then Jamaica is number 2. I even have views from India, from Africa, from China. Like, I have views from everywhere, but majority of my views for some reason is coming from the States. But anyway, I'm Jamaican, so of course I'm gonna speak Patois. So in this video, the only thing me I gotta do is talk Patois. So for all of you guys, when I know the Patois, boy, I don't know what I'm gonna do, But me not gonna go really deep in it. So, maybe I can understand a word or a few, but right now it just feels so weird talking to you guys in you see? I'm even chipping back to English. But it feel weird because I used to talk to Patois on my Yesterday I said, oh God, my face is so dry. You see what happens to my face when I don't moisturize? Anyway, I just woke up, so that's why it's like that. Guys, yesterday I said, ooh, my room is so clean. I'm gonna have a very good sleep. Guys, I didn't have a good sleep last night. Look at my hair. You can tell that I was twisting and turning and tossing. I didn't get enough sleep. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning trying to edit that video because the video that I took on Sunday, that video is very like long. So because I was cleaning the room, I was cooking, so it was a lot of content. Initially when I put all the content together, it was like an hour and 15 minutes long. And then now I managed to bring it at 38 so far. I'm not done editing, but I gotta get up so I can go to work. I had to wake up at 5 o'clock this morning. I took like an hour and a half editing, fell asleep again, and I just woke up again. And I was like, let me just wait till 8 o'clock because I have to reach to work by 9 o'clock. So, I gotta get up right now, go in the washroom, clean up my face and fresh up my body. But guys, I had a very terrible sleep last night. I didn't have any dreams or anything. I just didn't sleep well. I went to bed like 1 a.m. editing because for some reason the files back up to my iCloud, and then when the phone is trying to download it back from iCloud, it took me like an hour just to get all the thing into the editing app. That's another thing. But anyway, guys, I successfully edited the video to some point that I feel comfortable. So maybe today at work, on my free time, on my break time, I can now use that time to just finish up the video because I don't want to be editing videos all day. It's not fun. It feels so good when I have a video and I post it, like say I posted in the morning and everything is ready and posted. I feel so relieved knowing that, okay, I don't have to worry about that video today. But then no, like today now, when I still have to edit and I still have to record, it's crazy. But my face is so dry and I did moisturize last night. But that's just how my skin is. Like, it always gets dry whenever I don't moisturize it. But to be honest, it's getting better because it used to be worse than this. I started using this goat milk soap, and yeah, I think it's working for me because even my chest used to be way worse than this, and I can say it's getting better. But when I was younger, I used to have a lot of like acne. I still have acne spots in my back. They're mostly in my back, but I usually have them in my face, and then the eczema plus the acne. So like I've been dealing with this thing from I was a teenager, man. But it's like now it's nothing to me, because when I was a teenager, I used to wear like everything have to be covered. I always have to like cover my skin because I didn't want anybody to see it. But now I'm like, bruh, I'm embracing it. I don't want to go to work, man. I want to just lay in my bed and relax. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired. I just want to relax and sleep. Man, I don't feel like I want to go to work today, man. To be honest, guys, just believe me, every Monday I feel like this. I'm so tired. I'm tired, man. Oh, sorry, guys. I forgot I'm doing the whole PATWA thing. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm tired, star. May I tell you? Right now, I'm no star. That's the most annoying sound ever for me. Every damn day, it's waking me up. Your girl is on her way. Oh, shoot. Guys, right now, my depa moya got work, you see me? So, just step out, the sun well hot, you know? Shining on my face and thing. This feel weird. Weird, man. A long time I don't do this. Feel like I'm speaking to my co-workers in PATWA. Weird. Anyway, so my day I walk go work and I want just a think to myself, say, yo, life good. I just 9 days left for my birthday, you know? Just 9 days left for my birthday. Time I move fast, man. Like, yesterday I just say, oh, 10 days, but like when you're touching at the 9 zone, it's like you're 9, 8, 7, 6. You're in the last countdown section, you know? So yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna talk past straight out, because I know a lot of people don't speak PATWA, but guys, you know, this is a good way for you test yourself and see how much PATWA you really know, right? But at 9 days alone left for my birthday, still me excited. As always, I don't know, because out of everybody in the family, I think I'm the only one who really get excited when it comes to birthday. Nobody else. I just me alone. But you have to be a trendsetter, not a follower. You see me? So that's my thing. And that's just how, you know, so when we did Little Door, I never had a birthday party. I think I only had one party when I was 6. Because my parents couldn't afford it, you know? They can't Yo, guys, this is very hard to do. The part was something, I think it got easy, but it's hard, man. Because as soon as I take up the camera, it's like English, you know? But I do it. One whole day with PATWA alone, guys. So today I run to the bus stop. I have a little jacket with me. Because you don't know Canada stay already. Canada weather unpredictable. So you don't know when it's gonna rain, when it's gonna shine. You don't know when it's gonna snow. Right now, if snow start fall, I'm not gonna surprise. Because I Canada this. Just expect the unexpected. So yeah, it's a nice pretty day. Let me see what time now. We should have reached at the bus stop long time. So it go. Just get a little pimple this man, you know. You know, me see girl them a do at work. Me see girl them a put, like say for example you have this now. Me see the girl them a put band-aid, like them put a little band-aid over that now. And put a band-aid over them spot there. And then then put makeup over the band-aid. And then you see you work in a restaurant and you know it's sweaty sometimes and them a server, most of them a server still. Cause the girl them were working in our kitchen, then we have, you see that dirty dog, yeah? The last day I saw walking, and I never see the dog. And it's each up by fence, and by the time I pass him here, dirty dog. You see my runway now? Through me I come my run, all trash, yo. I'm like, if me never spot him with a barking on my face like the last time, and then you hear him on and run over. No, don't bark at the people. Don't bark. Don't friggin' do that. If you know say have a dog like that, don't have that low fence. You see, the fence low. Build a higher fence if you have a dog like that, boss. Because any other dog that jump over the fence and bite up somebody, a problem. Anyways, so watch her. Don't go so. I chat with her neighbor before she go watch her dog. And then put up sign of fence, but beware of dog. Put up a higher fence so the dog can jump over. Anyway. So back to, right here, it smell like skunk. Oh, anywho's, oh, it's a cherry tree. Oh, nice. Hold on there, guys. But me stick up in, cause me still need to tell you about the band-aid situation. Good morning. Yeah, have a good day. Crossing lady. Hold on there, stick up in. Me soon tell you about the band-aid something. I have to go run, go catch a bus here now. Guys, I'm so sleepy right now. I just sat down for 2 seconds and I'm telling you, like, I was literally falling asleep. That's why every time when I'm at work, I always look at my face. Well dry. Jeez, it's because it's cold in here. That's why every time, that's why every time when I'm at work, I forgot I'm talking Patwa. Guys, more on sleep, man. That's why every time I'm there at work, I just always try to find something to do, because if I ever sit down, that's it. If me ever sit down, yo, the Patwa thing is hard, you know. I think it got easier, but it's hard. This Patwa thing is very hard. I don't know, I take up on myself, but I got to talk Patwa for the whole video. I don't understand. But I hope you guys find this video entertaining. But you see my eyes? You see me eye them? Full of water. Red. I want to sleep. Anyway, guys, I still remember if I tell you about the girl with the band-aid, you know. I don't forget about the band-aid. I told me there at work, but I'm going to find something though, because, yo, I'm tired, man. Tired. I already know so I never really get no much sleep last night. You see me? So, alright, guys, we need to go back. Guys, I'm not even good for talk to you today, because the day just happened like this. Boom. And I'm home now, so I'm gonna edit this video because it's already 10 p.m. and I haven't posted the video yet. So let me check you guys right back, okay? Give me a minute. So the girl with the band-aid now, I know so me have to tell you about the girl with the band-aid from morning, but I didn't get any time, and you know, I just want make sure say when me give you focus on me, focus on my face, like what's going on, eh? All right, so the girl with the band-aid now, so what she would do is, if she have one here, one pimple here and another pimple here, then she would have put a little tiny band-aid here, a little tiny band-aid here, and one next little tiny band-aid right there. So right then, now the girl put the makeup over the band-aid. I mean, at first when you put the makeup over it, of course maybe it look good at the time, but you see when you're there at work and you start sweat and the makeup a rub off, and then you just see the band-aid a peel off, bro, that not look good. That not look good, brother. So I guess to each his own. Like for me, I don't really watch what people are doing, you know. Me no business with nobody business. You see me? Me no business with nobody business. If I that you feel like you want to do and that make you feel happy, do your thing, brother. Like me nah, you know, me nah. Guys, I'm so sorry. But because I said I'm gonna do this video in Patwa, then you know, you just have to try catch on. Try catch on, man. Try catch on. Tomorrow me talk to you in English, but try catch on with that one, yeah. Isn't me? If you feel like a XYZ and me feel like a ZYX, then so me feel and that's how you feel. We don't need to argue over that, brother. You see me? Anyway, guys, so right now me reach home from work. And me all fresh up, you see me? Fresh up my body, put on some nice little nightgown. Right now, I'm gonna show about brother. That one they too steep phone. I'm not ready for that yet. So put on a nice nightgown and then now me I got my bed, you see me? I feel like when I go get that video late. Well, not this video, but the video where I post now. Cause almost midnight right now. I tell you say the video, I know the video process on YouTube. I don't understand what go on. So I feel like that video there I go post a little bit after 12. But I make sure I post it before I go to bed, cause you know, I can't have that. And then now I go start record the video. I go start record this. Look, what me I say? I go start edit this video now when I make from now. So tomorrow I can see if I can post the video early. Cause I don't like when I get the late video, them you know. I tell you. Anyway, guys, I eat this for the night, you know. So I go in on my bed. How are Henry day? Oh, Henry I hide, man. Henry I go to bed now. Henry say good night to everybody. Good night, everybody. Alright, so Henry I go to bed now. And Henry, why it look like say your ear grow over your eye? So you can't see? I know Henry a turn big man. Your ear grow over my eye now. Anyway, good night, man, everybody, and bless up yourself, big up yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. You see me?